Welcome back to Secure 7, your place to learn ethical hacking and cybersecurity. If you've ever wondered how to start learning ethical hacking but feel overwhelmed with all the information out there, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end because I'll share a clear step-by-step roadmap that will help you start your journey the right way. What is ethical hacking? Before diving in, let's clear one thing. Ethical hacking is not about breaking into systems illegally. It's about using hacking skills legally to find and fix vulnerabilities before cyber criminals exploit them. Companies hire ethical hackers, also called penetration testers, to protect their systems. So if your goal is to build a career in cybersecurity, ethical hacking is a great path to start. Many beginners jump straight into hacking tools and get lost. Don't make that mistake. First, you need some foundation skills, basic computer skills. You should know how operating systems work, especially Windows and Linux. Networking fundamentals. Understand IP addresses, ports, DNS, HTTP, HTTPS. Learn about firewalls, VPNs, and proxies. Programming knowledge. Start with Python, then explore JavaScript, Bash, and maybe C. Cybersecurity basics. Learn about threats like malware, phishing, ransomware, and OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation before adding advanced layers. Most ethical hacking happens in Linux environments, especially Kali Linux, which comes preloaded with hacking tools. Learn commands like ls, cd, grep, c, hmod, and how to use package managers like apt. Then explore tools such as Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit inside Kali. Networking is the heart of hacking. Learn how data moves from one system to another. Study TCP/IP, routing, DNS, and packet analysis. Use Wireshark to capture and analyze network traffic. Also, understand how the web works, HTTP requests, cookies, sessions, and APIs. This will make it much easier when you learn website hacking and web application penetration testing. Hacking is a practical skill. You can't just read about it, you need to practice. Luckily, there are safe environments for this. Tryhackme and hackthebox, beginner-friendly labs with guided challenges. VulnHub, free downloadable vulnerable machines. DVVWA, damn vulnerable web app, perfect for learning web hacking basics. Set up a virtual lab on your own computer using VirtualBox or VMware. Always practice legally and never attack systems without permission. Every ethical hacker needs to master essential tools. Nmap for network scanning. Wireshark for packet sniffing. Burp Suite for web application testing. Metasploit for exploiting and testing vulnerabilities. Don't just memorize commands, understand what each tool does and why you're using it. If you're serious about making ethical hacking your career, certifications will help. Start with CompTIA Security Plus, beginner-friendly cybersecurity cert. CEH Certified Ethical Hacker, good introduction to ethical hacking. OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, highly respected hands-on cert for penetration testers. These will not only give you credibility, but also structured learning. Hacking is a fast-changing field. Join communities like Reddit's r/netsec, Twitter X cybersecurity spaces, and Discord groups. Follow bug bounty platforms like HackerOne and BugCrowd. Remember, the best way to learn is by sharing knowledge and solving real-world challenges. Let's quickly recap the roadmap. 1. Learn computer basics, networking, and programming. 2. Master Linux and Kali Linux. 3. Practice networking and web technologies. 4. Build hands-on labs using tryhackme, hackthebox, and DVWA. 5. Learn tools like Nmap, Wireshark, Burp Suite, and Metasploit. 6. Get certified with Security Plus, CEH, and OSCP. 7. Stated with communities and bug bounty platforms. That's the clear path to becoming an ethical hacker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Secure 7 for more ethical hacking and cybersecurity content. Also, check out my course, Ethical Hacking Basics, right here on the channel. It's designed to give you the strong foundation you need before diving deeper. Thanks for watching, and remember, hack the system, but hack it ethically.